And if you don't know how to open a foxbody door handle, I'm about to show you. Or a door. You gotta put your thumb right here like this. You hear that? See that pop? And that sound never gets old too. Here. Show you one more time. Here's why. You end up like this. Broke. See? Sorry. Jack's in the way. Boop. Nice. Okay. But I gotta fix that. Cut that out. This floor is okay. I got these floors fixed there, but I'm gonna finish the roll cage so it goes on up over. Take it on down right there, and I'm gonna bring it down through the speakers because I ain't gonna have no radio. I'd rather listen to the sound of the car, if you know what I mean. And I'm gonna tack weld. There's some cracks there. These are all probably just stress cracks. And right there. Sorry, I'm stretching. Get it tacked up and stuff, and then I'm gonna seal this floor up. Put the dash back in. And then it's coming along. It's about busting my ass on that jack. Been payback, sorry. But this thing's kind of uncomfortable. See, it's kind of scratch my back there, but it's coming along good. Let's get that done. Get that done there. And she will be ready to go. And hopefully, I mean, I ain't gonna make it by Cleus and cars up in Indy next month, but at least it'll be done this year. It will be done this year. And if you didn't watch the last upload, me and Trent did get the F-150 to fire up. Technically, for for a minute. But next one, I think we're gonna go up there Tuesday night. It's Sunday here right now around, I don't know what time it is, but I think we'll be able to drive it. And everything else seems to be good on it. I think we've got some fuses that are bad, just the lights won't come on the instrument panel, but I ain't worried about that. At least we got it to fire up. And if you know anybody who could redo my dash for me, right there, you got some holes right there. Fix that right there. I'm gonna take the Cobra off because I'm not a poser. And see, fix the right there is where the air duct goes in. I'm just gonna block it off right here because right here is where the old speakers were, and that's where the roll cage is gonna come down. So I'm just gonna use the main ones right here. That'll just come out of the front right there. But I just need to get that fixed there. So if you know anybody, drop a comment and let me know, because I want to get that done too eventually. But alright, stay tuned for tomorrow and we'll get on these brakes, or these suspension, and then that's it for now until Wednesday. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Alright, let's see if I don't get hurt this time. Did the front ones alright. Let's see if I can get these rear coil springs under extreme tension. to trim some of that. Oh shoot, I gotta get the top. No. There we go. Release some tension on that spring now. Now I can get up in there. There we go, I'm coming. Just really need to get that out. There. The claw. I honestly didn't think the rear would be this hard. I thought the front was going to be the hard ones. Get in there. Sorry, Shock. Boom. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, come on now. What'd you do? Now, I'll try how to get you out. This pieces probably, yeah. Come on, spread them cheeks. Huh. There we go. I'll move you guys for a minute. Got it. Oh, getting there. Big enough so yeah, it's nice. I can come out of the side instead of all the way out the bottom like the front. There's that one. Come on down. Which way do I need to go? There we go. Got it. All right. Let me jack it back up and get the shock right here lined up. So I'll do that, and then I'll meet you up top in the trunk. So see you in a minute. I gotta tighten up that. That's the top of the shock right there. And I use, on my kind of thing like this, I know I'm gonna be taking off again, I use this stuff here. Big whoop, wanna fight about it? So there's gonna be some haters that'll, I'm not supposed to, but I know normal blue I could just use too, which I mean ain't much different than this. It just makes this is just easier to get your nuts back off. There we go. Cut around here, finger. Alright, we're ready to rock. Yeah. I think this is 9/16, I believe. Bingo! I don't know. How many Ugga Duggas? That'll do. I don't know, I got nothing to put on there to keep that from backing off too. Spin that sucker down. I take it that's what this one's for. I don't know. There we go. All right. Bring it back down here. Sorry. There you go. There you go. There. Don't look as pretty as the front, but not bad though. I just half-assed. I just went over that real quick with some paint. Another step closer to dropping her down. Look at that. Ooh. That's right. I don't need these under there anymore. Looking good. Alright, I'm gonna go do the other side real quick, and then after that I'll show you what we're gonna do next. Actually, I think I already did one part. I don't know, we'll see. Just weld up those cracks right there, and there's a couple right there. But I'm gonna finish my cage, and then this from the previous owner. I'm gonna seal all that up with some stuff and kind of waterproof all that as best as I can. And let's see, order tires, get it dropped on the ground. It's time to start on some engine work. Exciting stuff. And like I said, I'm gonna take you along with us. I think I'm going with Trent, my brother, and my nephew Theo. I mean, I don't know if my kids are gonna come yet or not, but I'm gonna go watch them drag racing. So again, appreciate all the support and everything. I mean, look at this thing. Just keep on watching. If you ain't subscribed, subscribe please. Help me really get my channel growing. The more support I get, the more I can give back. I got the radiators coming. I got a black SVE radiator coming tomorrow, and a iBox. I think that's how you say it. It's red. It'll match the little control arms there, so I think that'll look really good on there. And I'm excited. Just been busy lately, you know, and I'm trying not to bore you too much with truck content. I don't want to ramble, jump around too much, but I don't want to get you guys where you just, you know, it's always just the same thing. But between I got this going on, trench truck, Tyler's Mustang, so plenty of stuff coming. So like I said, please subscribe if you ain't, hit the notification, and tell your friends. Bye.